Evolvement is a youth-led movement that advocates for a tobacco-free world by choice.
I joined Evolvement because I have many friends who are current underage tobacco users, and they always talk to me about how much they want to quit, but they can't because it is so addicting.
Here in Denver, underage youth have easy access to tobacco because retailers are not held accountable to the law. There isn't enough funding or enforcement, and that needs to change.
We're going to help prevent teen tobacco use through our initiative, License to Sell Tobacco. Currently in our city, you do not need a license to sell tobacco products. Evolvement members went out into the Denver community to see who supported us in wanting to change this. Over the past few months, we have been talking to people and helping them be active through collecting their thoughts with support cards and photo pledges. We will use this community support to meet with individual city council members this spring and hope to convince them to commit to passing a tobacco retail licensing ordinance.
Evolvement members hit the streets of our community to survey the public and get their opinion on teen tobacco access.
Through various surveys and support cards where people could write a short personal message on their opinion of youth tobacco access, we were able to see that more than 4 out of 5 adults were concerned about underage tobacco use. 59% of youth said that it would be easy for them to purchase their own tobacco, including nearly 2 in 3 youth tobacco users.
With this in mind, we presented our findings to the public at our survey release media event and spoke to community and health representatives there.
So where do kids in Denver get their tobacco products? It's simple. They just go to the store. And when I was 16, I was even able to go to a liquor store and purchase a pack of cigarettes when my uncle asked me to go.
Nationwide, hundreds of communities have already begun tobacco retail licensing laws, including 5 cities here in Colorado. An overwhelming majority of adults support implementing a tobacco retail licensing law. In fact, 80% of adults support what we're trying to do, including 69% of adult tobacco users.
Now, we are taking our results to Denver City Council members to pass our tobacco licensing ordinance into law to protect the youth in Denver because, as the state's capital, we should be leading by example.
I am Evolvement.
I am Evolvement.
I am Evolvement.
I am Evolvement.
And we're saving lives!
I feel that being in Evolvement is important because it gets the youth involved and it also gives them a voice.
I have met so many kids who are just so into what they're doing and are so excited to be active and a part of policy change and a part of changing the community for the better.
It's never really going to stop because it's something that we're all really passionate about. Even if we have a law that passes, we're still going to aim higher.
At first, it seemed kind of like a far-off dream, but now as we're getting closer and that we've completed our survey, we just released the results, it seems like that we could have this passed really shortly and we could be shaping city policy very soon, and it's exciting.